The second part of this lesson is just some examples of how to use dimensional analysis to answer questions in context. So the context here is I have a circular power saw and it's rotating with 5,200 revolutions per minute. So this blade is spinning around 5,200 times per minute. First question is find the angular speed in radians per minute. So we're going to start with the 5,200 revolutions per minute that we were given. We would like minutes to stay on the bottom, and we would like to turn revolutions into radians. Well, in order for the saw to make a full circle, a full revolution, then the saw is going to travel through 2 pi radians because that's the distance, that's the angle measure around the unit circle. So it's 2 pi radians in 1 revolution. I'm really paying attention to units more than I am the conversion. I just want to make sure that I put radians on top and that I wind up with minutes on the bottom. So I am going to have my revolutions are going to cancel and I'm left with radians per minute. Okay, for my answer to have radians in it, but I would do 5,200 times 2 and I would still have pi radians per minute. It's really important to pay attention to what your units are in the beginning and where you want to go. You have to think of the conversions you know to get there. Second question is find the linear speed in feet per, and actually I believe on your paper it doesn't say feet per minute. I believe it says feet per second on your paper. Okay, so I'm going to start with my units they gave me, so 5,200 revolutions per minute. I would like to change revolutions into feet. So if I travel all the way around my blade, that would be the circumference of the blade. And the circumference formula is pi times the diameter. So we know the diameter is 7.25. So all the way around the blade is going to be 7.25 pi inches. So that's how much it is in a revolution. So 7.25 pi inches per revolution. Now my revolutions are going to go away and I now have inches per minute, but my goal is feet per second. So I'm going to need to change my inches into feet. And I know that there are 12 inches, and I want those inches to be on the bottom, in 1 foot. So now I have feet on the top, so that's a good start. And then I also would like to have seconds on the top. And I know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Oops, I got to change that around because I want my minutes to cancel, right? So I need to switch this fraction around so that I have minutes on the bottom, minutes on the top. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So that's all the math I'm going to do, and I'm going to just double check that all of my units are going to cancel. My revolutions are going to cancel. My inches are going to cancel. My feet are not, but my minutes are, so I wind up with feet per second as my units. And then I'm going to grab my calculator and type all of that. To do 5,200 times 7.25, and then I wanted to divide by 12 times 60. So I got 52.361 times pi feet per second. I'm going to write that nicer because So just be really careful that your units are stacked up in such a way that they will cancel. And as you're setting up your conversion, just pay attention to which one should be on top and which one should be on bottom. All right. Good luck. Thanks so much. Bye.